Good morning and happy Friday to you. The equity markets opened with gains. In fact, the benchmark indices had gains of about 0.25% at the start, and then they gave up those gains. Right now, the Nifty 50 is trading flat, but at 15,900 levels, and very close to that number, 15,916 at the moment, just about 0.05% lower than yesterday's close. Now, a couple of factors that you have to bear in mind. We are trading at very close to all-time highs. Yesterday, we set a new closing high, and the latest up move for the benchmark indices has been despite foreign institutional selling. In fact, in just a couple of sessions in the month so far, foreign institutions have net bought. Overall, in the month so far, they have net sold to the tune of nearly 6,500 crore rupees, and domestic institutions have net bought about 2,000 crore less than that number. So we've gotten here despite quite a bit of selling. Let's look at the sectoral performance today then. We've got the IT pack that was booming in trade yesterday and day before yesterday is down about 1%, perhaps a little bit of profit taking coming in there. The pharma pack is the one that is dominating in trade today, up as much as 1%. And that's reflective in how the Nifty constituents are moving as well. Up on top of the screen, you have the likes of Divi's Lab, that is the top gainer on the Nifty 50, gaining about 2.6%. And you have the likes of Sun Pharma and Cipla also that are gaining over 1%. The other top gainers in trade today are Bharti Airtel, which is up about 1.4%, ITC up over 1%, and Tata Steel is also joining the party, as well as GSW Steel, both of those counters gaining in trade as well. Tata Motors up as much as 0.8%. Among the losers, you'll see quite a few of the IT names that were booming in trade yesterday. So you have HCL Tech, which is the biggest loser in trade today, down as much as 2%. Tech Mahindra is down 2%, and Infosys is down about 1.2%. Now, a couple of other factors that you have to bear in mind. The broader markets are continuing to outperform. Small cap index is up as much as 0.6% right now. Mid cap index is flat. But a few people have pointed out that there are quite a few counters in the small cap index that are perhaps overbought, almost certainly overbought. And you should bear in mind that you could see a correction in some of those names. But as of now, that rally in small caps that we've witnessed and has had us completely astounded, it continues to take place. Well, among the other sectoral indices, you have the banks that are trading with cuts. You have the FMCG that's gaining about 0.4%. You have media that's flat. Metals is doing reasonably well, up as much as 0.7%, and realty is down about 0.4%. So that's more or less the picture and how things look on Friday. Let's see over the course of today whether there is strength that gets built on. That's what happened in trade yesterday, but remember, you had quite a rally in the IT stocks, and that seems to not be the case today. Of course, quite a few of those counters have rallied tremendously, and profit booking is par for the course.